feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and videos. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and videos. You want murder me, You want murder.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, first of all, before I even tell you what this video is about, I want to first apologize for the lack of videos, guys. Life literally took over. And no, I did not get married. No, I'm not pregnant or had a baby. A lot of things happened this year or last year. Oh, it's 2019. Okay, a lot of things happened last year and a lot of life changes happened last year. I changed careers and a lot of family stuff happened and it was like impossible for me to film videos. I apologize for the lack of videos and I'll be making more videos. I don't want to promise y'all because you know when y'all know what happened when you promise stuff, like the devil just come and take over your life. I mean, the devil cannot take over my life, but you know, things just start happening when you start promising stuff. So I don't want to promise y'all, but more videos are coming. Okay, not a promise, I'm just saying it. I'm just putting it out there in the air, in the universe with God to just go with it. But yeah, so today's video, as you can see, I'm here with my natural hair. I am never ever here with my natural hair. I've only done one video with my natural hair and that was when I straightened my natural hair for the first time. Dumb idea. I would never do that again. Okay, I mean, of course with professional help, but I can't believe I did that to myself. My hair got damaged a lot, like with the heat. Okay, I can talk about that in another video. A hair company reached out to me, and y'all know I do a lot of hair reviews on my channel, but this one is really like dear to my heart. I've always wanted to try natural hair clip-ins and or extensions, and I've always wanted to like buy it, actually order it, but I've never actually found a company that, you know, fit to my hair. As you can see, my hair is a little bit it's kind of curly. When you put water in it, it's very, very curly, but it comes out a little bit like 4C-ish. Like it's a little bit thick inside. Like it's so hard to manage. Oh my god, like that's why I don't even mess with my natural hair. Whenever I wash my hair, I just go to the salon, they braid it, and I wear my wig. I don't involve myself in my natural hair. I only wash my hair and then I leave it up for my hairstylist to do the rest. Okay, because it's just too much work and it gives me super bad headaches. So ain't nobody got time for that. But I'm really excited to try it out. Like I can't wait. Oh yes. The company is Lovrio. I already opened the box because of course I was like super excited. But the extensions came in this pack like this. The clip-ins, to be exact, right here. And in the box it came with a comb. This comb, oh my god, to detangle your natural hair. Oh, this is like the best comb ever. If you ever see this comb like out in a store or anywhere, get it. Like I promise you, it's the best thing you ever got. Okay, it's amazing. I love it. And it just comes with like a little flyer thing, and I think this is a mirror that came in the box and some clips for your hair just in case you need extra clips. I went to church this morning and this is literally how I wore my hair. I washed my hair 2 days ago. Right now it's kind of like, you know, ooh, it's itching a little bit. It's kind of you know, tender a little bit. So what I do is I always take like a spray bottle with water and I just spray my hair like this, like so. The mirror is over there, so I'll be looking over there to see what I'm doing. But I usually like just take the water and like, you know, water actually softens my hair, so it helps a lot. So I usually spray it on the roots of my hair and then I'll put my finger inside of it like this and it will like soften it up. Let me show you guys how long my hair is. It comes across my face, basically. It's pretty, I mean, it's not that long, but I've been natural for, I think 4 years. Yeah, I've been natural for 4 years. I don't think it's growing as fast as I want it to grow, but that's okay. Everybody's hair journey is different, so I'm not comparing myself to anybody else. And most of the Instagrammers that you see that have like big fluffy hair, girl, they're using clip-in extensions. Yeah, it's kind of like, yeah, shocker, right? But they really are. So don't compare yourself with these Instagrammers or these YouTubers that you see with long fluffy hair. You don't know what's under that hair, you know. So I always like to just go with my own and not focus on other people, because trust me, it gets complicated. So I'm gonna spray this all over my head and I'll be right back. My hair is like softened up a little bit. As you can see, it looks softer. Ooh, so nice. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply a leave-in conditioner just to make it more smooth. I use the Olive Miracle leave-in conditioner. This is like the best. It's like $5 at the beauty supply store, but I promise you, if you have really thick hair and you're always trying to like soften up your hair and nothing works, this like it's really good. I've been using this ever since I went natural, literally for the past 4 years. I haven't changed it. That's one thing about me. I don't change things like often. I like to stick to one thing, you know, as long as it's working, I just stick with it. But it really helps soften my hair really well. Before I couldn't even run my finger through it. Now I can run my finger through it. When you put that conditioner, I promise you, it just makes your hair like so soft. So next, I'm gonna take this comb right here that I talked about earlier, and I'm just gonna detangle my hair, because before I put the clip-in extensions, I want my hair to be smooth. So I'm just gonna like comb it. This is like the painful part, but it's not gonna be as painful as it could have been if I hadn't put the water and also the conditioner in my hair. So I'm just gonna detangle all over my hair. I usually hold it like this and then I comb it to reduce pain. Really helps out a lot. Being natural is painful, okay? And let nobody lie to you about that. It hurts. Like it really does. So now for the most important part of it all. These are 10 inches clip-ins. It doesn't look exactly like my hair, but it's close. If I comb it, it's gonna look like my hair. Like as you can see, when it gets close to my hair. These clip-ins are so thick. Like I'm telling you, guys, it's like thick. And I've used clip-ins before when I was not natural, but this is so thick. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb it. I'm gonna comb it out a little because I want to have like an afro look. That's the look I'm going for. I'm gonna comb it out. So you could see, oh, this is so pretty. Oh my God. The hair is, it's like so soft, and this the amount of shedding I'm getting. Literally, you cannot see it at all because it's not even shedding. Look at this. This is what it was before. This is what it is right now. Do you see the difference? Like, you see how much fullness is gonna give to your hair? And let me see if it goes back to its natural state with water. I always try that just to see what it's like. So I'm gonna spray it up with water. Let me see if it can go back. So if you don't want it to be too fluffy, you could always put water in it just to see if it will go back to like its natural state. Oh, it does. It really does. Look at that. The curls go right back to how it was compared to the regular one. See how fluffy this is? And look at this one. Like it does. Like if you put more water in it, it does. So it's really like, it's a really nice human hair texture. So I do want it to be fluffy, so I'm going to comb it again, and so that it could, you know, be fluffy. But it's really beautiful. I love this. Let me comb it more. This is probably going to go in the middle of my head. Let me see. Maybe on the side. As you can see, let me go close. When you put it close, it's not, you don't see much difference. I mean, you could tell that's not my hair, but you know, you won't really know much. So let me try to like put all the clip-ins in and see how it looks. I'm really excited. Oh my God, guys, I'm excited. But I'm going to comb all the clip-ins out and just put it on. can see, I just put all the extensions in. As you can see, it looks just like my natural hair, just fuller. Let me turn to the back so you guys can see. It looks like I've been natural for over 10 years, and I love that. It does not even look like I have like clip-ins in my hair. Like, it blends in perfectly with my natural hair. I love the fact that it's so smooth. Like, oh my god, guys, it's really smooth. I can run my finger through it. It's really smooth, and I don't feel like insecure. You know, like how you wear wigs and you're just like, oh my god, you're so insecure. And it's so easy to take out. You can just take out the clip-ins and go about your day. You don't have to do any crazy stuff, and you know, it's not gonna ruin your edges. Like, as you can see, my edges were ruined from wigs and frontals and stuff like that. But this one, like, it's not gonna ruin your hair. Your hair is gonna be protected, and it's just gonna have a lot of volume. I'll be rocking this look for as long as I want. I love it. It's like so perfect for work. It's so pretty, like so freaking pretty. I feel like, you know, it's still my natural hair, but just like extra beautiful. I love like the length. I did not cut anything out at all. I like the messy look of it all. It's not too light for you to think that it's synthetic hair or anything like that, but it's light enough for you to feel like it's your natural hair. It's human hair, and I really love it, guys. This is really beautiful. All the links that you need, girl, I got you, that you need, is gonna be down in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Oh Lord, I cannot speak. But hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel so you can stay updated with all of my videos, and comment down below. I want to hear what you think. I want to know what you think. Let me know how you feel about this look. Be honest. Let me know. If I look crazy, let me know. Y'all be so honest. And if you like it, let me know, because I really love it. I really love it. It's so easy, and I really love it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I'm in love with you. I'm in love with the cocoa.